Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying out two new Rains pieces, the Backpack Mini and the Hilo Weekend Bag in the HAZE color. Now this is like a dusty, smoky, light green color, and it is really pretty in person. Now, of course, I am going to show you the tags on each of them, so be sure to pause the video and take a look at the specific SKU number, the color, all of the information that you might need to know. What's really cool about Rains is that they actually show you the cost in a lot of different currencies. So depending on where you are around the world, you have that MSRP at your fingertips right here. Now, getting into our Weekender tote, this is the Hilo Weekender bag. And we have unboxed this on the channel previously in the black color, but this is of course the HAZE green. Now I wasn't sure what I was going to think of the green based on the stock photo versus in person. I thought it was a little bit more dusty green or a little bit more gray green. In person, it's actually a little bit brighter, which I'm kind of pleasantly surprised about. So we do have the black one and we did love it a lot for traveling. We actually bought it while we were on our honeymoon and we brought home a bunch of goodies in our extra bag. So it did turn out to be a very durable travel bag. Now, this green one I do think will be a little bit more challenging to travel with because it is, gonna show some blemishes. The black one did get a little dinged up, but overall it stood up really well. Now, you do have the Rains logo right on the front there. It's kind of embossed or like pressed down. And then you have a sweet little pull tab that is actually Velcro, so you could even take that off. If I remember properly, I'm not sure if our black one actually came with this kind of pull tab, but it's pretty cool. We might even take the green one off and put it on our black one and vice versa. Now, this material is known to be waterproof, which I guess is where the term Rains or the brand name Rains came from. So I guess it would be a little strange if it wasn't. So let me know in the comments below if you are interested in these for their waterproof properties. We originally were not drawn to it for the waterproof properties. Mainly we just needed an easy, quick bag, but we are really happy that it has it after all. Now, getting a look at our Backpack Mini, we have taken a look at the standard backpack as well as the Backpack Mini, and I believe the Backpack Micro on the Fashion Try-On. This is the kind of medium size. It has the same orientation. It does have a few of the more standard features like the back pocket that the Micro does not have, but overall it's a really good size. You have a really deep separation on the back wall there, as well as another little zipper separation that goes kind of halfway down right where my finger is showing you on the front wall. It does feel like it's a little bit more cushiony material in the back wall, so if you are looking to put a laptop in there, I do think it would be safe. Now again, we're getting a close-up of our tags here. Again, feel free to pause and examine a little bit better. Now, this is the back pocket that I was mentioning. This back pocket does not show up on the Micro, and it is a rather deep pocket, so you can definitely fit like your phone or your wallet in there, and it's safe away from pickpocketers, so I really do enjoy that. Now, taking a look at the straps, you do have the opportunity to make them shorter. It comes on the longest strap, which actually suited me quite well, so I don't imagine that I would tighten it up, but you let me know if you've done that. Now, the one downfall that I do have about the backpack itself is that I do feel like it's a little too stiff, and you can kind of see it in the design. We have this bag in the black as well, the backpack, and I felt like the black was a little bit less malleable, if that makes sense. Like the green actually looks a little bit more natural. It doesn't look as stiff, and maybe that's just that it has to relax a little bit, but keep that in mind. You are kind of seeing that, the bag is a little stiff. It's mainly due to that material, but if you like the overall vibe, and I definitely like the coordinated set here, this is definitely for you. You do have a lot of flexibility with the straps and just a lot of flexibility with how you're gonna pack this thing. The Hilo Weekender is just really one big bottomless pit, so if that is your style, this is definitely for you. Let me know if you like this item, if you have it, if you love it, if you hate it in the comments below. If you've made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop a green heart in the comments for our HAZE color. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.